One of the easiest ways to boost your average order value on Shopify without spending a single dollar is by creating bundles. And if you want your store to go from this to something like this, then be sure to watch this video because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And with that said, the first thing that we're going to want to do is head over to the Shopify App Store and search up Kaching Bundles. And I've actually left a link in the description to this app to make things easier, so be sure to use it when setting this up. And once you find it, then you're going to want to simply click install and then let Shopify do its thing. And I'll do that right now, so I'll catch you guys once I'm in the Kaching Bundles app. And after it's installed and you've selected your plan, once you're on the Kaching dashboard, you're going to want to head over here and click create bundle deal, as this is simply where we're going to create our bundle. And as you can see, you can create 6 different types of bundles for your store, but for this video we're actually going to go with the buy X get Y free. And I'll actually create an offer now, then I'll run you guys through everything that I did and show you how to set it up professionally for yourself. Alright, so I just added everything in, so let me run you through. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to the products previewing tab, and you're going to want to select the products that you want to create the bundle for. And for me it's the Flyhooks travel pillow, so you're going to want to simply click it and then click select. And now we know that we're making a bundle for our selected product. The next thing is, once you're in settings, you're going to want to go to the pricing and click use compare at price and set the price rounding to 99 cents. And if you don't have this in your theme, then you can also set a low stock alert, and you can basically do this by ticking this on, and it will pop up and build urgency when someone comes on your website and you want to make them purchase the product and convert. Next, we're going to want to head over to style, and also over here you can see that you have 4 different styles that you can go with. And personally, I recommend going either with the vertical or horizontal one because they look the cleanest and they usually work the best. And over here, you're going to want to select the colors. And as you can see, the theme of my store is actually this brownish, dark brown, light brown, creamy type colors. And that's why I went with these colors over here to match actually the brand. And this is also an important thing, and you're going to want to do this when creating bundles for your stores. You're going to want to make sure that everything matches in a sense. And once you set up all your colors, you can even go and set up the corner radius, how much rounded you want it, or if you want it rectangular, then you can put the corner radius to 0. Personally, I'm going to put it at 20, and you can also set the spacing, how much space should be between each bundle. And every now and then when you make some changes, I actually recommend clicking save over here just in case, to save all the edits that you made. And once you're happy with the style, then you can go to the typography bar, and personally I always go with the bold style font, as for me it looks the cleanest and I use it in all my stores, but you can go with whatever you like over here. And then I personally leave all of this as it is. You can check it out by yourself. You can put subscriptions if you wish, as a lot of people are starting to do this now on recurring revenue. You can set countdown timers, but I personally would not go with something like this because this just screams dropshipping, and I will leave it off. But if it matches your brand and how you want to market your products, then definitely go with it. But one thing that I definitely recommend to go with if you don't have this in your theme is adding a sticky add to cart, and it will look something like this. And basically how this works is when someone scrolls beneath the bundles and they don't appear on the screen, then this tab will appear in the bottom of their phone or computer, and once they click choose bundle, then it will take them back to the bundles where they can pick the bundle that they want to buy and purchase the product. And finally, we can move on to the actual bundles, and over here I decided to go with 3 offers. And if you'd want to see a video going in depth on what offers work best, what offers used to what products, and all the psychology for that, then be sure to leave a comment and let me know, and I'll definitely make a video on that. But heading back, I decided to go with 3 offers. The first one being single, the second buy one get one 50% off, and the last one is buy 2 get 1 free. And basically let's start off with this one. So you put in the quantity, you get buy 2 get quantity 1 for free, and over here you're going to want to put in your title. As you can see, this is where it goes. Then you can add subtitles like over here, free gifts or free gift. Next you could add badges. You can put some simple, which will get rid of the most popular bar like over here, but I definitely recommend on the bundle that you want people to buy, put most popular. But you can also add a free gift in a separate box like over here, and this is how it will look. For me, this looks way cleaner than this one, but I just wanted to show you guys so that you know what this app is capable of. And then for the second and the first offer, I decided to go with buy one get one 50% off. And as you can see, when we go with the buy X get Y free, we can't select 50% off price over here. And basically, when you want to do something like I did, then you're going to want to click add bar, quantity break, put in how much quantity, let's say 2, and then set the price to specific, and then you're going to want to calculate this manually like I did over here. One is around 65, let's say, and I wanted to make it half, the second one 0.5% off, which is, let's say, 35, which when we sum up is around $100. And just like that, you're going to want to set the price to $100 and you're set. And this is basically what I did. Then I put the title, subtitle, free shipping, and this is what I did. And for the single, I just went also with the quantity break, and I just put quantity 1, price default, and that's pretty much it. And the final thing before we actually publish this to our store that I wanted to talk about is selected by default. And this basically means that if you put this on, when a customer enters your store, then that bundle will be selected by default. And as you can see right now, the bundle that is selected for me is the single one, and you're going to want to use this selected by default on the bundle that you want people to purchase. And for me, the bundle that I want people to purchase when they enter my store is the buy 2 get 1 free, and that's why I'm going to put this selected by default. Then you're going to want to simply save it, and once you're happy with everything, all the colors, then you're going to want to simply click publish. And now that everything is published, we can actually head over to our store and see if the bundle is there. And as you can see, the bundle hasn't appeared yet. And if you've also got this problem, then you're going to want to simply head over to app embeds and make sure to check Kaching bundles on and bundles depreciated also on. Then you're going to want to click save. And once we do that, when we head back and actually refresh our store, oh, there you can see the bundles appear and we're all set. And as you can see, when we put a before and after side by side, you can see how this instantly makes the page look 10 times better, and not only makes it look cleaner, but also more branded and way more trustworthy at the same time. And I promise you, if you add bundles like these to your store, then you'll definitely increase your average order value by at least 20 to 30%, sometimes even more, especially if your pricing and offer is dialed in. And with that said, this is how you can create bundles for your Shopify store in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and click on this video next.